Hey Ashley, so talking today about the hands-on training we have at the Kentucky Welding Institute. And in addition, making you a well-rounded hand, not just a welder, but what else on the job, and first and foremost is safety. With that comes the ability to react in an emergency situation.
Right, first aid CPR, super important. We're going to go through that with you at KWI. All the first aid gear, equipment you're going to use. You know, we're not going to train you to be a brain surgeon or whatever it is, but your basic skills, the basic needs to help out yourself, your co-workers, or your loved ones at home with a broken arm, a splint, whatever the case may be. And that's just one part of it. Next part, CPR goes hand in hand with that. So as Bobby's pushing on the mannequin there, we're going to do the compressions in the breast according to ASHI, and then the goal, the end result, is the certification card. So one more credential KWI is going to throw onto you. First aid, CPR, hey, saving a life. You see these things hanging around all over the place. We got the AED defibrillation system here at KWI. So it hangs in the building, and it's not just a showpiece. All of our students are trained how to use this, how to save your life if need be. Hopefully you never have to use these skills, but if you do, hopefully you got yourself set up for that and got that certification card in your pocket.
Yeah, so near term, long term. Near term, this kind of certification on your resume is going to help you land some jobs. I mean, it doesn't surpass a weld test, don't get me wrong, but if I'm a contractor hiring a welder and you're certified in CPR First Aid AED, that's one less thing I've got to worry about, in addition to the OSHA, the TWIC, the Basic Plus, all that stuff we throw on you. But long-term wise, everybody's going to want to raise a family, I assume, and you're going to be able to take care of your own kids in a situation, or your mom and dad at a ball game, or whatever you're at. So this is life skills to boot, only at the Kentucky Welding Institute. I don't know any two other schools that are doing this, Ashley.
No, not welding schools in particular, because it's not necessarily related to that career. But anything safety is always going to be related in the industry, according to those contractors and those folks hiring.
Yeah, and to boot, it's an expense for the Kentucky Welding Institute. We are an accredited testing and training facility with the American Safety and Health Institute. So those are costs incurred by us as an accredited facility to maintain that credential and keep all our instructors certified. I'm a master trainer, so I train our instructors to give the course and give the exams. So again, all those hidden costs associated are alleviated from you. This is a turnkey program. You come to KWI, you get this included in your program.
That's right. And our instructors aren't just certified CPR, we're certified instructors. So all of our instructors are going to be training you. You don't have to do this third party. It's done in-house.
Yeah, there you go. So if you want to get, again, that complete program, then the Kentucky Welding Institute is what you're looking for.